Did you know that coffee can impact your health in a surprising way? What seems like a harmless habit might be affecting your sex life in ways you never imagined. Don't let a simple detail ruin your quality of life. Stay with me in this video, and I will explain it better. But before we continue, subscribe to our channel to help us grow. It is possible that a simple cup of coffee, at least once a day, could impact your penis health. Although this topic is not frequently discussed, the connection between coffee consumption and male sexual function has attracted the attention of the scientific community in recent years. As a urologist specializing in men's health, I will explain how coffee can influence circulation, erectile function, and overall penis health. Get ready, because this information may surprise you, and maybe even give you an extra reason to enjoy that daily cup of coffee. First, let's break down what coffee contains and why it can impact the male body. Coffee is rich in caffeine, a natural stimulant that acts on the central nervous system, as well as antioxidants such as polyphenols, known for their cardiovascular health benefits. Erectile function is directly linked to cardiovascular health and blood circulation, as an erection depends on proper blood flow to the corpora cavernosa in the penis. Therefore, any substance that affects the vascular system, including coffee, can potentially impact penis health. One of the most studied effects of coffee on the male body is its impact on erectile function. According to research published in the journal PLOS ONE, men who consume 2 to 3 cups of coffee per day, approximately 170 to 375 milligrams of caffeine, are less likely to experience erectile dysfunction compared to those who do not consume caffeine. This benefit is due to caffeine's ability to relax arteries and smooth muscles in the penis, improving blood flow and facilitating erections. This vasodilatory effect occurs because caffeine increases the production of nitric oxide, a key molecule in the relaxation of blood vessels. Nitric oxide allows the penile arteries to dilate, which is essential for blood to reach the corpora cavernosa and maintain a firm erection. In simple terms, caffeine can act as a vascular ally for the penis, as long as it is consumed in moderation. In addition, the antioxidants present in coffee, such as polyphenols, may provide additional benefits for sexual health. These compounds combat oxidative stress, a factor that contributes to blood vessel damage and increases the risk of erectile dysfunction. By protecting blood vessels and improving overall cardiovascular health, coffee's antioxidants can help maintain good erectile function in the long run. However, as with everything, excess is never good. Consuming large amounts of coffee, more than 4 cups per day, or over 400 mg of caffeine, can have adverse effects. Excess caffeine can raise blood pressure and cause anxiety, which can counteract its benefits. Anxiety, in particular, is linked to performance issues and psychologically induced erectile dysfunction. Moreover, excessive caffeine consumption can interfere with sleep, and inadequate rest is directly linked to hormonal imbalances, such as low testosterone levels, which can also affect sexual function. Another concern about coffee is its diuretic effect. Caffeine can increase urine production, which, in some cases, can lead to dehydration if not balanced with sufficient water intake. Even mild dehydration can reduce blood volume, which may negatively impact erection quality. Therefore, if you are a coffee lover, it is important to maintain good hydration throughout the day. It is also worth noting that coffee's effects on penis health may vary depending on individual factors, such as genetics, caffeine tolerance, and pre-existing health conditions. For example, men with heart problems or uncontrolled high blood pressure should be cautious with coffee consumption, as excess caffeine can worsen these conditions and, consequently, affect vascular and sexual health. Now, let's discuss how coffee can interact with other important factors in men's health, such as testosterone. While the relationship between caffeine and testosterone is not entirely clear, some studies suggest that moderate coffee consumption may slightly increase testosterone levels. This could be beneficial, as testosterone plays a crucial role in sex drive, energy, and erectile function. However, these effects are subtle and should not be seen as a substitute for a healthy lifestyle or other medical treatments for hormonal issues. Finally, it is essential to understand that coffee alone is not a magic solution for all sexual problems. Maintaining good penis health and high-quality erectile function requires a holistic approach that includes healthy habits. As a specialized urologist, I recommend moderate coffee consumption between 1 and 3 cups per day, is a reasonable amount to enjoy coffee's benefits without risking negative side effects. If you have questions about your consumption, consult a doctor. Maintain a balanced diet. Besides coffee, include foods rich in antioxidants and essential nutrients for vascular health, such as fruits, vegetables, omega-3, rich fatty fish, and nuts. These foods work together to improve circulation and reduce the risk of erectile dysfunction. Stay hydrated. For every cup of coffee you drink, have a glass of water to prevent dehydration and maintain adequate blood volume. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. Smoking and heavy drinking negatively impact circulation and increase the risk of erectile dysfunction. Exercise regularly. Cardiovascular exercises improve heart health and blood flow, resulting in better erectile function. Walking, running, swimming, and yoga are great options. Manage stress. While coffee can boost alertness, excessive caffeine can cause anxiety. Combine coffee consumption with relaxation techniques such as meditation to maintain emotional balance. Seek medical help if needed. Persistent erectile dysfunction can be an early indicator of serious cardiovascular or metabolic issues. In conclusion, coffee can be an ally for penis health when consumed moderately. If this information was useful, share it and subscribe for more content on men's health. Leave your questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer them in future videos. See you next time.